Hi and welcome to a lovely, beautiful day in London. And in this video I'm going to share with you how to draw the flower of life, which is really quite simple because it's like mathematical and you just use your compass to make the lines. But why I like drawing this and these kind of patterns is because the brain is wired to recognize patterns, and we got patterns all around us. Look at a flower close to you, or if you don't have a flower, look at your fingerprint. You see small patterns and how the lines are connected to each other, and that is why it is also meditating to draw patterns. I also like the thought of behind the flower of life, because it's about that everything is connected and we are part of a oneness. We are connected and not everyone is aware of it, so we send out vibrations and then energies, and that is how we are connected to each other. So all the energies that we let out from our inside, we connect to other people. So stay connected. What do you believe about oneness?
Okay, so I believe it's the interconnectedness. It's the belief that we're all one, right? There's nothing that is separate from anything. Everything works in algorithm. So you're either connected to that oneness, to that frequency, where you're just love, right? And you're giving, or you're disconnected from that. And sometimes we kind of drift up or down. We might be connected to the oneness where everything's connected and everyone wants the same thing. Ultimately, we want to be love. So that's what I believe about oneness. But then sometimes during our day, maybe we get a bad text or a bad email or phone calls of bad news, and it can pull us out of that oneness and into a lower vibe, lower
Yeah, like
frequency.
individual bubble kind of thing.
Yeah, like if I keep this to myself, then I'm better off rather than giving it to someone else. So yeah, that's what I believe about oneness. I believe giving is how you receive. Giving, you become a container when you give.
Yeah, and you kind of, because you're part of everything, you're part of the big oneness, you give to yourself.
Yeah, nothing's.
As you pass it forward, kind of.
That's it. And the more you give, the more you receive.
Yeah,
So
that's the mindset of abundance.
that's right. So giving isn't giving away something and losing out. That's what a lot of people think. Giving is to understand that it's who you are spiritually,
Yeah.
and you can't give without receiving.
Thank you for your thoughts.